In this video, I'll talk about how you can add JavaScript to a Shopify store. Now, if we head over to the community, there is someone from Shopify who told you how you can do this. So it depends on what you want to do, but if you want to do the Shopify script editor, you can add your custom JavaScript through the Shopify script editor by going to your Shopify admin, navigate to online store, go to themes, click the actions, and choose edit code. In the assets folder, create a new JavaScript file like called custom.js and paste your code in there. Then make sure you save it and then you should be good to go. So that is basically how it works. So I would just do as it says right here, and your Shopify admin board will just be when you go to your Shopify store, and on the left hand side there will be an online store button, and there you should be able to do it. So I can quickly show you how that works. Shopify, log in, and once you're logged in, you'll be on the admin board. So you can go to your online store here and then simply follow the steps. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.